To report a problem, click on the WT Problem Log icon on the computer desktop. Here you can report a problem or check an ongoing studio issue. Select the building and studio you are in and enter your name and email. Enter the equipment that's causing the issue and its current location. Describe the issue as precisely and detailed as possible. The more information you can provide, the quicker the problem can be resolved. Also, if you ask a supervisor for help, please select their name from the drop-down list. Once you are finished, click the Submit button to send the problem report.